Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get Sharpness sword level 255 in Minecraft. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So this is just a one command method. So all you need to do is simply tap on the command box and then type in give a dread and select any one of the person or any one of the Minecrafters. Then type in Minecraft Netherite underscore sword. After you have done this, all you need to do now is simply type in the sword you want and then type in level, and after the level you have to write 255. Once you have done this as well, you can simply give commands of like impulse and stuff and then hit the save button, and once you are done you will find this kind of box on your screen, and after you tap on it you will find your netherite sword with enhancement level 255. So by typing in this command you can simply achieve your sharpness enchantment level 255 on Minecraft. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.